Contour BI is an advanced business analytics platform designed to simplify and streamline the process of analyzing complex data. The platform offers a range of tools for businesses to visualize, interpret, and report data to support decision-making. When you first land on the website, you're greeted with a clean and professional interface, showcasing the main features of the platform. One of the things I appreciate about Contour BI is its emphasis on user-friendliness. The platform is designed to cater to both beginners and advanced users. The dashboard provides a clear overview of your data, and it's relatively easy to navigate through various features like data visualization, reporting tools, and performance analytics. The website also offers customizable options, allowing users to create reports tailored to their specific business needs. However, while the platform is relatively intuitive, I did encounter a learning curve with some of the more advanced features, especially for those who aren't well-versed in business intelligence tools. The tutorials and documentation provided on the website are helpful, but there could be more in-depth guides for new users who might need extra assistance getting started. Point 1 of Contour BI's standout features is its powerful data visualization options. The platform provides a variety of customizable charts, graphs, and reports that allow you to view your data in the most effective way possible. Whether you're tracking sales, customer behavior, or marketing performance, Contour BI can present your data in clear and actionable formats. However, I found that the reporting functionality could use a bit more flexibility. Some users may need more advanced features for custom reports, and at times, certain features felt somewhat limited compared to other BI tools. Additionally, the pricing structure of Contour BI is on the higher end, which might not be ideal for small businesses or startups. If you are someone who needs comprehensive business analytics tools, then Contour BI might be worth considering. It's designed for businesses looking to optimize their data for better decision-making. But if you're on a tight budget, you might want to explore other options that provide similar functionalities at a more affordable price. Not sure how to avoid draining your wallet on gifts? I used to face that problem too, until I discovered Giftmeo, where you can get cash back on your purchases and keep surprising your loved ones without breaking the bank. Click the link in the description. Overall, Contour BI is a solid choice for businesses that need robust data analysis and visualization. It provides excellent tools to manage and interpret your data, though it may not be the most budget-friendly option for everyone. Make sure to evaluate your needs and determine whether this platform aligns with your goals. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more honest reviews of business tools and websites.